New rules proposed by the federal government to curb financial risks associated with the country's hot housing markets could make it more difficult to secure a mortgage. Mary Griffin joins us now live in studio to explain. Mary.
Well, Stacey, those changes are meant, as you said, to cool down markets in cities like Victoria and Vancouver. Now, this new guideline is a stress test for uninsured mortgages. That is, loans secured with a down payment of at least 20%.
It's a busy time of year for mortgage broker Cam Brayer. New rules on mortgages take effect in just over 1 month.
I don't think anybody has to be afraid. I wouldn't fear. Sky's not falling by any stretch. It's a question of, going and seeing your professional, whether it be your banker, your broker, whomever, sitting down, getting a clarity on your situation, and then from that information making a sound choice as to what to do next.
Here's how the new rules will work. A family with an annual income of $100,000 with a 20% down payment at a 5-year fixed rate mortgage rate of 2.83% amortized over 25 years can afford to buy a home worth approximately $726,000. As of January 1st, the mortgage rate of 4.89% would apply. The family qualifies for a mortgage of $570,000, a difference of $156,000.
We're going to rush to get the house done before the end of the year.
Craig Race thought he had time to finish building his new house. Now he's racing the clock to beat the new mortgage rules deadline.
We'll need to replace the construction financing we used to build it with a traditional mortgage, probably in December or January, right when these rules come into effect.
While realtors are split on how their clients could be affected, they agree it could slow Victoria's red-hot market.
Some people will simply be knocked out of contention and not be able to go through with plans to move up or get into the market, into housing that's suitable for their needs.
I think the biggest impact will be for those who are buying at the very top of their affordability level. Most clients, most of ours anyways, are not doing that, so they won't be affected.
For buyers who don't meet the new stress test, they can either come up with a larger down payment or a less expensive home in one of the most expensive regions in the country.
Now, Mary, when is it that these new rules come into effect?
Well, they come into effect, Stacey, on January 1st, and it applies to both variable and fixed rate mortgages, regardless of the length of term of those mortgages. Stacey?
All right, Mary, thanks very much.